Good morning. Oh my god, jaz sem se tako glih kar zbudila. Danes je kon. Tako da gremo v Avstrijo. Happy Halloween, by the way. Oh my god, like, I love Halloween. Tako ne moram še razmišljati, zaradi tega, ker I just opened my eyes, you know, in sem še vedno half asleep. Ampak, basically, zdaj se moram iti sam zrihtati. In pol počasi me pridejo pobrat in gremo. Drugač, danes bom bila Miku, pol bom bila to be police officer version, pa Rias iz High School DxD. I know, right? What a lineup. I know. Po moje bom zdaj tako počasi samo vstala in se šla rihtati. And hopefully I will be done on time, ker I really don't feel like getting up right now. I'm just so dead. Anyway, yeah. We go. I am excited. I'm just kind of tired. By the way, tako ful je shitty vreme outside. Ne vem, koliko se kaj vidi. Absolutno nič. Wow. Never mind. Okay, zdaj, ko sem malo bolj awake, lahko I can do my thing. Anyway, jaz bom imela že pol kostuma na sebi, zaradi tega, ker ko pridemo v hotel, pač bom po moje dala samo tako lasuljo, leče, pa like the small details gor na sebe, zaradi tega, ker planiramo biti vsaj do kakšnih 3-4, da bi bliže na konu. Zdaj si for real, moram si narediti make-up, ker imam feeling, da bo to tako najdlje vzel. Zato, ker si hočem narediti nek smoky eye, like type shit, you know? Now I go. Okay, to je make-up. Ne vem, koliko se kaj vidi, ampak I think it's okay. Well done fit. Imam še pullover, da ga dam tako čez to, ampak ja, to je to basically. Guys, to je naš hotel. Oh, wow. In piše, the prince sleeps here. I mean, malo je tiny, tako da Davidu bo križ odpadel, ampak it's okay. This is the bedroom. Ooh. If you kidnap a person, lahko jih daš tja. That's it. You know, but at least we got that big ass TV. Girl. What the hell? Oh. Bitch, we got a garden though. Oh! Kurba, zaletela sem se. Sorry. Yo, leko lahko štiljamo, brat, piknik. Oh, my god. Tam smo najdli nek bunker and it smells really bad. Well, it's a choice, ampak it's okay. Bomo preživeli.
Awesome post.
Stvari malo traja, ampak hočem dejansko zasigurati, glede na to, da je red.
Hardest alley. Vidim, da je ene par novih artists. Zdaj je cosplay catwalk. That's so cute though. By the way, ne najdem Just Dance-a. Sam tisto je. Na karaoke smo. Model proba naštimati, kako da fakt se prijaviš v karaoke. Ker nimamo pojma.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Guys, mi smo se signali up za hentai quiz na 18+ area, ki smo šli. In naše ime je Hentai Gods. Absolutno pojma nimamo. In gremo against eni skupini, ki so dejansko Hentai Gods, so we're gonna lose, It's okay though. We got this, guys. We are Hentai Gods. We're opening karkoli je to. Nimam pojma. Z dobro musko vzad.
Hey, the bag. Oh. Okay, fuck this.
Oh, cute.
Here? Okay.
Okay.
I like her.
She's cute.
I like her. I have her too. When I used to play.
Yeah.
She's cute.
Oh, I love it.
I have like two or three of these, like.
Is that the artist one with the tentacles?
Yeah.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
Oh yeah, that's it. Oh my god, that's really cool. Nice.
Damn, sick.
Nice.
A to je iz tistih Arknight, ali kaj?
Yeah. To sem mogla. I got that.
That is amazing. Ok, zdaj tako kle sedimo že pa 1 uro pa gledamo AMVs. I don't know. Dol rabim dati to, ker me glava ubija. Ok, zdaj smo back to normal in zdaj gremo na kakšen koncert? Nek flow, ne vem, v glavnem tja gremo in pol after party, oh my god. That looks like blood, sweat, and tears. Tell me I'm right. Oh. Oh my god, bitch! You got me fucked up! You can't do that! Oh my god! Mega money! Oh. Don't be like a phrase. Smooth like a thing. Oh my god, that shit was insane. What the fuck? Najdla sem Just Dance, pa sem šla zdaj to igrat and now I'm sweating fucking bullets. Oh my god. Guys, to je bil moj najbolj impulsive decision do zdaj, ampak prijavila sem se, da grem delat piercing tukaj. It gets to a point, don't be like me and do that, okay? Ne vem, šla sem 3krat mimo, gledala, sem bila like, a naj ali ne. Well, pokličejo me, ko moram tja prideti, so wish me luck, y'all. I'm not even gonna say anything, y'all. Y'all, insane! Kupila sem še eno to, just so to get fucking Zayn again. He wants me so bad, oh my god. I need it. Danes je last day. In jaz bom res. Smo spakirali, da gremo iz hotela. Real. Hit check. Zadnji dan. Dan sem res. To je to. Šla sem Just Dance še enkrat, ko nobenega ni bilo. I went like 5 songs, I don't know, ampak I'm sweating. Čakam na photoshoot. Also, kupila sem si tole. So cute. Neon je, full cool. Zdaj se ena glej slika, ampak tako zgleda.
Genau, ich habe es ja schon beim Vorstellen gesagt, dass ich irgendwie ganz entzückt bin. Wir haben einfach jetzt die auch festgestellt.
Full ball empty je danes, tako. Ampak Just Dance je open. I'm okay. Majora mask. Jaz sem bila full obsedena z Majora mask. Hello. 4krat sem šla Rasputina. Pa Davida sem forsirala, da gre z mano. Oh girl, kom zdaj gzem sam to dol dala, I swear. Hell no. We going home. Jemo sushi. No, oni jejo sushi, jaz jem to. Yeah. Oh my god, doma sem. Malo prej sem prišla domov. In zdaj edino, kar bom delala, je to, da bom bila na telefonu in bom šla spat. Because, fuck that. Oh my god, fuck that. I am so dead. But in a good way. You know, in a good way. I had a lot of fun. Like, če bi bil kon tako daljši, I think I could go for long. Like, tako še maybe za 2 dni. Ampak, kar je dead so moje noge. To je pa to. Hello, naslednji dan. Anyway, haul time. Dan sem na posli, zato ker že cel dan vse, kar delam, ležim. Okay, and I'm not about to move. Sam zaradi tega, okay? Okay, prva stvar, obviously, sem si šla delat piercinge. To je bilo že tako obvious. Zdaj so tako veliko boljši, kot so bili prej, ampak like... Yeah, that shit was great. Anyway, da začnem. Girl, first of all, kupila sem si 2 ta packa. Love in Deep Space, right? Že vem, kaj je noter, ker sem jih odprla, ampak bom pokazala zdaj še on the screen. In zaradi tega, ker sem dubla, what I didn't want sem pa šla še po 2, kar mi je also dal spet tisto, kar nisem hotela. Anyway, začnemo s tem, ker ta je full cute, pa edini je bil left in sem ga pol hitro tako kupila, ampak sem dobila pretty good thingy. I got Xavier. Ja, pa še eno photocard. Vsi vem, kaj je že not, ampak pol sem pač odprla ta pack. Sem dobila Zane. Not a big Zane girly. In sem šla še po 2 packa. In sem dobila v tem Silas. See, I got Silas. Hell yeah. Tako da, to me je pol, pač, I was happy about it. In pa sem bila like, hey, I lahko mogoče dobim like my man, Caleb, ali pa Raphael. No, because I got another fucking Zane. Fan, Zayna. If you want to trade, I'm down, okay? Ker, I'm not a big Zane girly. I love him, but tako not that much, you know? Tako da to so bili vsi te moji 4 packi, what I got. But I feel like Zane, he wants me so bad. Like, model je 2-krat popul. What the fuck? Pa sem si vzela on 18 plus area, I got some gay shit. Some gay shit. Hude pa fajn, zato ker tukaj si lahko izbiral who's gonna be the top and who's gonna be the bottom. Ker je imela tako en del, ki je bil ta top, pa en, ki je bil ta bottom. So obviously I got the one where he's the bottom and he's the top. Zato ker like, look at this. Like, I like my tops to be girly pop. You know? Ampak to sem si vzela, ker it was just too beautiful to not buy, and I love supporting artists. Tako 2 knjigi že imam od ene. Hotela sem iti po še drug del in pol, ko smo šli na ta 18 plus section, je bil a line so fucking long that like I gave up in nisem šla po drugi del, so. Plus niso ti spustili not, tudi če si imel tisto badge, like they didn't let you in. So we were like, fuck you, and we left, so yeah. A ja, pa mi je en dude, mi je dal to Jane Doe card thingy. So, you know, I took that bitch, cause why wouldn't I? Pol sem šla še po more Love in Deep Space. My 2 men, Raphael and Caleb. Pa mi je rekla, kjer je moj najljubši, sem jim rekla Caleb. In pol so mi dali še tale Apple sticker for free. Tako da, yeah, I got these 3. They're so cute. Pol sem šla spet 18 plus area and I got a bunch of Stadion art. 3 big ass fucking art of him. Okay? I got, boom, this. But fora je tako, you can have it black or white or in color. You know what I mean? You got it 2 fucking sides, bitch. Torej, dobila sem tega. Ta je bil hot as shit. Ne vem, kam ga bom dala, ampak I'm sure I can find space. Then I got this. Oh yeah. Also in black and white and in color. This part. Anyway, yeah. And then I think I might have to censor. I got this. Also in color and not in color. Yeah, his dick is out and everything, but like, I can say it's big, okay? Anyway, yeah. That was my 3 Astarian arts that I got. All worth it. My money could be galach on them, you know. Invest a lot of K. Maybe buy something that I actually need. You know, I could do so much, ampak ne, jaz sem pač a gooner and a thirsty ass bitch in sem bila like, ne, I'm gonna spend my money on art of a naked man, a vampire, elf, naked man, yes, albedo. Anyway, ja, dobila sem albedo, pač toliko je bilo njenih figuric in jaz nisem vedela, kjer naj vzamem, plus tako full folka je prodajal te figurice in nekje so bile expensive še, nekje niso bile, jaz sem basically šla do tja, kjer je bilo the cheapest option. I got this bitch for like $30, which is crazy. But yeah, I got her in this outfit. Imela je full velik outfits, but I wanted specifically to have her titties out. So I got this one. And most of them so od My Hero Academia. In ker sem kinda am out of that fandom, sem zdaj začela collected sexy girls. Because we all need a sexy girl in our life. You know what? Yes, moram nehat to, yeah. I need to stop making excuses for why I bought this. Anyway, it's day, the one thing, cause sem savala best for last. Okay, yes, I'm on a hunt. Blossom on a hunt for a lowkey figure for like 3 years now. I finally got one. Yes, from the lowkey series, by the way. Nisem imela nobene fucking druge. Gledala sem a million of these bitches. Not one had my man, okay? And yes, I was about to fucking protest, because what do you mean that you don't have my man? Who is taking him from me? I will hunt you down and kill you, bitch. Anyway, yes, the one, the only lowkey cosplayer. Thank you, the original. I deserve to have this. Some lowkey, basically. Končno, zdaj ga imam tudi jaz. Eventually hočem collectati vse. Nekega dne, ko jih najdem. Nekega fucking dne. In mislim, da je to vse, kar sem kupila. Pretty much. Yeah, that's it. To je bil moj haul. Jaz sem so happy, da sem končno dobila. My beautiful, beautiful man. He came home. The kids have missed you. Okay. Ja, to je to za ta haul, basically. Ne vem, kjer kon bo zdaj next. Bomo videli, I guess, but do takrat pa pač peace and blessings. To je bilo to za ta haul. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Ne vem, kdaj bo to, ampak stay tuned, bitch. I love you. Mwah, Luna out.